You want to create a landing page? Why not just simply try out this website right here called the sites.google.com, otherwise known as the Google site. This is a cool landing page creator site which you could use to create cool and amazing landing pages out there. As you could see, I use this site to create this amazing landing page right here, which is for exercises to relieve back pain. And right here you could see how amazing this landing page actually is. You could use this website to create such landing pages. Also this landing page right here, you could also check out this landing page also right here. All these landing pages were created with this website called the sites.google.com. So right here in this video, I'm going to show you how you could create a landing page with this particular website. So make sure you do stick on, watch to the end, so you do not miss out on any important step or trick which I'm going to show you right here in this video. So guys, without much introduction, let's just simply jump right into the business of today. So basically guys, you want to head onto this website called the site.google.com, and once you do head onto this platform guys, you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. As you could see, these are recent works which I've actually done right here or created with this particular website. You could just simply go on to selecting the templates which you want to use for your landing page. You could just simply click on template gallery right here, and you'll be able to see a lot of templates right here. You could see this one is for a project, this one is for portfolio, this is for an event, this is for the help center, and if you do scroll through, you'll be able to see more template right here which you could just simply go on to grab and hold off. And if I do select the project right here, I will be brought to this particular page where I can begin to edit my project right here. And if I want to just simply go on to maybe putting something about weight loss, I'm just going to come right here and type in weight loss. So once I do type in that guys, right here you could go on to adding a logo or editing this logo right here. As you could see, this is the logo that was added in this section. I can edit that. I can come right here and give my project a name right here, something like 10 amazing tips to lose weight fast. You could also come right here and edit this text right here, a little description such as lose weight rapidly just by doing this simple task every single day. You could change the font. You could go on to increasing the font size, bolding that, italize that, underline, and change the text color right there, or the font color. You could also insert a link, align this section, and you could do a lot more with that. As you could see how amazing this actually looks right now. So basically guys, you could just simply come right here and start editing this section based on your preference. So you just want to settle down and take out much of your time to edit this. But basically guys, I'm just going to show you how you could go on to creating a template from scratch. So if I do head back on to my landing page right here, I'm just going to go on to clicking on blank right here, where I can actually go on to creating my landing page from scratch right here. So supposing guys, I want to create a landing page for a CPA marketing offer, which I'm going to get right here from this platform called CPA Grip. I'm just going to log into my account and go onto the offer section, click on my offer so that I can actually go on to selecting an offer. So right here guys, if I do go on to selecting offers from the United Kingdom right here, I'm just going to go on to selecting or promoting an offer which is a sweepstake offer such as a gift card giveaway. If I do click on this offer, as you can see right here, I'll be showing more details about this offer right here. As you can see, this offer is available to people in the United Kingdom. It's an Apple iOS offer, also an email and zip submit offer, and I'll get paid $1.71 once people do complete this offer. So guys, basically this is an Amazon gift card offer. I'm just going to download this image on my device and save the image right here on my device. So once I do go on to clicking on save, the image has actually been downloaded on my device right now. So guys, I'm just going to go on to creating a landing page for that particular CPA marketing offer. So basically, if I do come right here, I can just simply go on to deleting this section if I do want to, but I'm going to bring that back because I want to use that right here. You want to just simply go on to put in your site name in this particular section, and right here I'm just going to come right here and put in something related to giveaway. So guys, once I type in a text such as this, which is the giveaway frenzy, I'm just going to come right here, bolding this, and I'm going to stretch this to this end right here. I'm also going to do that for this other section right here. Once I go on to stretching this to this section, I'm going to come right here and increase the font size because I want that size actually bigger. I'm going to select the 72 right here, and you could see how it actually looks like. I could just simply come right here and change the font style. So I could change it to any style of my choice right here, and you could see how it looks like right now. So guys, for this background image, I could go on to changing the background image by just simply going to click on image right here. I could upload one from my device, but if I do want to get one from this particular website, I'm just going to click on select right here. If I do click on select and wait for this to load up, as you can see guys, I'm going to be showing a lot of images which I could just simply go on to selecting one from this particular platform. But I just want to just simply come right here. You could upload one from using the URL right here. If you do have a URL to the image you want to use, paste that in this section and you can use that. I can actually do come right here, search for an image. I could come right here from my album and make use of some images right here, or I could select images from my Google Drive. But basically guys, I'm just going to come right here to this search section and just search for images related to giveaway. So if I do search for giveaway right here and click on enter, I'll be able to see a lot of images related to giveaway right now. So I'm gonna select this one right here and just simply click on select, and that background will actually be changed right there. So you could see how amazing that actually looks right now. So basically guys, you want to just simply go on to add in some text or images or any stuff which you want to use right here for this particular CPA marketing offer. I could go on to adding a countdown if I do want to, and if I want to add a countdown, I'm just going to go on to Google and I'm just going to come right here and search for timer embed code. And if I do search for the timer embed code, there are a lot of websites which you could make use of. I'm going to make use of this first one right here. If I do go on to that particular platform guys, you could see right here that I will be brought to this particular page. So right here, I'm just going to edit the end date which I want for my timer right here, and I'm going to change the date right here. So how about 27th right here? So once that has actually been changed, you could change out the style right here, which style you actually do want right here. As you could see, the style has actually been changed. I could come right here, change the color, change the time zone, change the language, and a lot more right here. And once I'm done, I'm going to come right here, click on embed, and I'm going to embed, copy this link right here, which is this embedded code. I'm just going to copy that, head back to my landing page site, and guys, what you have to do right here to click on embed. If I do click on embed, I'm going to go into clicking on embed code, paste that right here in this section, and just simply click on next. And guys, once I click on next, I'll be able to preview that timer right here. As you can see, this is how the timer is going to look like. Then I just want to go on to clicking on insert, and the timer will be inserted right here in this section. So basically, I can just simply go on to drag in this right here and just simply dropping that in this section. You could see how amazing that looks like right now. So if you want to add more stuff right here, you just need to double click, and if you double click, you could see this section right here where you could go on to add in a text right here. You could add an image from this section, you could upload a file from this section, you could upload a file from your drive, or you could embed from this section, or you just want to make sure you use this particular section right here. So basically guys, I'm just going to come right here and just simply type in a text right here, which is the text box, and I'm just going to put in something like grab a free Amazon gift card now. And once I do come right here, I'm going to increase the font size to something much more bigger, so you can see how the font size actually looks right now. So basically now, once I've increased the font size, I'm just going to go on to clicking on image. I'm going to click on upload right here, where I can upload that image which I downloaded on my device. This is the image right here. If I go on to uploading the image will be uploaded right now. All I have to do right now is to make the image bigger, and I'm just going to do that by just simply stretching this particular section. So guys, you could see right here that this has actually been stretched right now. You could see right here it says Amazon gift card worth 500 euros, and right now guys, you just want to go on to put in maybe a button right there at the bottom, and I'm just going to click on button right here. I'm going to go on to inserting what I want for that button. I'm just going to put in something like claim now. So once I type in claim now, this section for the link, I'm going to add in my CPA marketing link, and I'm just going to head back to this section, copy the link, head back to my landing page and paste that in right here. So once I do go on to clicking on insert, the link has actually been inserted in that section. So I could just simply align this right here to the middle section. I could make that bold, and I could just simply come right here and change the style right here based on any style of my choice. So you could see how this actually looks right here. It looks quite attractive right now. So guys, once this is done, I could also add in that particular link to this image so that once they click on the image, it's going to take them to that CPA marketing offer. And I do go on to clicking on apply right here. That has actually been added. So you could see right now, guys, this is a cool landing page for that particular giveaway offer. You could see right here which says the giveaway frenzy. This is a countdown to how long the offer will actually last. And right here, this actually says grab a free Amazon gift card right now, and you could see right here showing an image of the Amazon gift card, and they just simply have to come right here and click on claim here, and they will be able to gain access to that particular gift card. But you just want to tell them something like that they'll actually have to go through a survey for them to gain access to that particular gift card. You could add that, or you could just leave that as it is. You could go on to adding a lot more stuff right here, such as this content blocks. You could add in collapsible groups, table of contents, image carousel, buttons, dividers, spacers, social links, the placeholder, the YouTube icon, the calendar, the maps, the docs, slides, and a lot more right here in this particular section. You could also even go on further to embedding a video if you do want, just by clicking on this embed icon, pasting the URL, and you can embed your video right here. So you just want to make sure you do go on to playing around this section, taking out much of your time to go on to editing and creating a cool and amazing landing page right now. Once you're actually done, just simply go on to clicking on publish, and right now you want to just simply select a domain to that particular landing page. And right now, guys, if you do have a custom domain, you can make use of that by clicking on this section. But if you don't have one, you could just use the web domain right here and just simply go on to selecting something nice. So if I just select the giveaway frenzy right here, you could see that is actually not available right now because it has already been taken. So I'm just going to select something else. So if I do select the giveaway friends right here, you could see right here that this is actually acceptable. And right now, if I do go on to clicking on publish, that will go published right now. I could just simply come right here, click on this drop down arrow, and just simply go on to clicking on view published site, and it's going to take me to that particular landing page site right there. So guys, as you can see right here, this is the landing page site which you just created right now. As you can see how amazing it actually looks like. So guys, once people do come right here and click on claim now, it's automatically going to take them to that CPA marketing offer. We they do have to complete that offer by completing a simple survey right there, and if they do complete that survey, they're going to gain access to that Amazon gift card, hopefully, and I'm going to get paid some cool cash right there for that. So you could see how easy it actually is to go on to creating an easy landing page right here with this website called thesite.google.com. So basically, you could just simply come right here, click on this chain icon to copy the link right here to your landing page right here. As you can see, this is the landing page link which you could copy and start promoting this right now. So you want to take advantage of this particular website to create cool and amazing high converting landing pages right now. So you don't want to miss out on this. Grab hold of this right now and start making use of this. So guys, I hope this video has been of help to you. I hope with this video you've understood how to go on to creating a landing page on this website called thesite.google.com. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button to this video. Also make sure you are subscribed to this channel and your notification bell is turned on all. And guys, check out for more videos because I'll also be releasing much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you right here in the future. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.